Good day, everyone. I'm Narjana Bagonte from BSCE 4B, and this subject is Compre 2, and our topic is flexural member. For our first problem is the beam showed is a W16 by 31 of A992 steel. It supports a reinforced concrete floor slab that provides continuous lateral support of the compression flange. The service dead load is 6.5 kN per meter. This this load is superimposed of the beam. It doesn't include of or doesn't include the weight of the beam itself. The service live load is 8 kN per meter. Does this beam have adequate moment strength? So, meron tayo ditong given na dead load, 6.5 kN per meter, and live load, 6 or 8 kN per meter, and Fy is 345 MPa, and the length is 9 meter. And meron tayong properties, or the properties of the W16 by 31 is BF is 5.52 or 5.525, and yung TF is 0.4444, and ZX is 885 by 10 cube cube. And for the solution, yung first step natin is check for compactness. First, yung formula natin sa lambda is BF over 2TF. And substitute lang natin yung mga given. So, makukuha natin dito is 6.28. Substitute natin BF and minultiply sa 2 yung TF. So, yung lambda P natin, yung formula is 0.38 square root of E over Fy. Then, substitute lang din natin yung mga given and makukuha natin is 9.15. Since ang lambda P natin is greater than 2 lambda, therefore, the beam is compact. So, ang next step is determine the nominal flexural strength. So, may formula tayo dyan na Mn multiply or equals siya sa Mp and equals siya sa Fyzx. So, substitute natin yung Fy, which is yung 345 MPa, and multiply by the Zx, yung given din natin, na 885 by 10 raised to 3 and mm cube. And makukuha natin ay 305.33 kN meter. And the next step is, or the third step is to compute the maximum bending moment. And yung formula natin dyan ay 1/8, 1 over 8 multiplied by the width, or the W, multiplied by the L raised to 2. And substitute lang din natin yung mga given natin. And makukuha natin na bending moment ay 151.37 kN meter. For the last step is compute the allowable strength. And for the formula is Mn over reduction factor. And substitute the Mn, which is the 305.33 kN meter over 1.67. And makukuha natin is 182.83 kN per meter. So, mas ang Mn natin or Mn over reduction factor natin is greater than 2 MO. So, the W16 by 31 is satisfactory. Next problem is determine the nominal flexural strength of W14 by 68 GR, so subject to continuous lateral support. So, meron tayong given dito or yung properties of W14 by 60. 8 is BF 254 mm, TF 18.3 mm, D is 356 mm, TW 10.5 mm, and yung R is 33 mm, and H or N natin ay D.2K, RY is 62.3 mm, and HO is D minus TF, ZX 1880 by 10 raised to 3 mm cube, SX 1690 by 10 cube mm cube, and IY is 50.4 by 10 raised to 3 mm or raised to 6 mm to the 6, and yung J is 100 by 10 cube mm to the 4th, and CW 1440 by 10 4 mm to 6 and raised to 6, and A572 is FY equal siya sa 344 mm or MPa. So, first step is get the lambda. So, yung formula sa lambda is BF over 2TF. Substitute natin yung given, which is 254 mm over 2 multiplied by TF, which is 18.3, and makukuha natin ay 9 or 6.94. So, ang lambda p natin is 0.33 square root e over fy, and makukuha natin is 9.163, and lambda r natin ay 1.0 raised to or square root 2e over fy, and makukuha natin ay 24.11. So, the 6 point or the lambda ay less than siya sa lambda p, which so that or therefore the it is a compact flange. Next is get the compactness of the web. So first step is determine the lambda or get the lambda. So meron tayong formula for that is, and yung H over TW, and substitute the given, so that ang makuha natin ay 27.56. And lambda p is from the table, yung formula natin ay 3.76 square root 2e over fy. Ang makuha natin ay 90.66. And AR is 5.70 from the table, yung formula natin ay e over fy. 5.70 square root to 200,000 over 344, and the answer is 137.44. So since the lambda ay less than siya sa lambda p, so that this is compact section or compact web or compact section. Therefore, pwede na natin makompute ang nominal strength, and the formula is FyZx multiplied by the Zx, and substitute the formula or the given. Fy is 344 MPa, and the Z is 100 or 1880 multiplied by 10 cube or raised to 3 mm cube over 100 or 1000 to convert it into kilonewton, so that or therefore ang makukuha natin na nominal strength is 646.72 kilonewton meter. Thank you.